integrate a Klaviyo API key into Brij, follow these steps. Initially, you must acquire the API key. To obtain it, navigate to the settings. You'll find an option at the bottom of your screen. Click on Settings. Once the account settings opens, click on the API key tab. I already have a private API key available at this location, and I can simply copy it. However, if you don't have one, just click on Create Private API Key, grant full access, provide a name for the private API key, and click on Create. After the key is generated, you can copy it from this location. Navigate to your Brij dashboard and access the side menu, then click on Settings. Select Integration, and then choose Automatically Create User Profiles in CRM. Choose the CRM provider from the drop-down menu, paste the API key, and click on Save. Following these steps, whenever a user registers or signs up on Brij, their profile details will be automatically sent to Klaviyo.